How to add the YouTube music widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, go to a blank spot, then touch and hold. Next, tap on the Edit button. Now from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Next, in here, we scroll down, and then tap on YouTube Music. Next in here, you can choose a small size widget, a medium size, or a large size. So I'm going to select a small size and then tap on Add Widget. And this will allow you to add the widget to the home screen. After that's done, now if you want to listen to YouTube music, you can simply tap on the widget here to open it. And from there, the songs will automatically play. And that's it. That is just simply a shortcut. You cannot do anything to it. There is no features. So if you go into the widget property, there's no extra additional settings. So you can only remove or you can change the size of the widget. So I can change it to a small icon. So I can open it, or I can show some details about the widget. So I can make it larger. It shows me a recently play songs from the app, but it doesn't allow me to do anything else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.